Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, I'm with Kyla.
Hi!
So, we're here to show some creative photo ideas that you can do it at home. So, disclaimer, some photo ideas is not mine. It is inspired by other YouTubers and photographers. So, without further ado, let's get started. So first item, we're gonna use old camera. So yan. Guys, makikita nyo kung paano namin siya gagawing creative. So, game!
Meanwhile. Meanwhile.
So guys, next item, we're gonna use Badminton Racket.
Clap. Go.
Hey!
Clap. Go.
Next item, we're gonna use old books. So next, we're gonna use headbands or headdress. So we've done with 4 items. So for the last part of this video, so we're gonna use surgical mask or face mask. Ayan. Last part ng video namin is inabot kami ng ulan kaya dito na lang kami sa loob ng bahay. And pagod na din kami. So tapos na tayo guys. So kung may natutunan kayo, please do like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. So yun lang. Nawa nagustuhan nyo yung itong vlog nito. Bye bye!